What's good with y'all boys? Y'all see here? Yep. This it. This it, y'all. Anyway, oh y'all. It's my Honda Accord. Don't worry about it. It's my Honda Accord, guys. Oh. Y'all see? Y'all see this? Yes, sir. First car. My first bought car. Y'all can see that. But yeah, y'all. We're gonna go on the little POV. We're going on the little POV, y'all. Inside. Some roof open. You feel me, y'all? But yeah. This is my second day driving it. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, yeah. And the car's coming. Oh. So yeah, this is gonna be a little POV. I don't drive in sport mode like that because yeah. Yeah, y'all. Feel me though? Y'all, I wanted this car for so long. It don't make sense. Like, y'all, I've been wanting this car for so long. Like, man, I finally got it. Like, I was looking for the exact one with the white EXL, with the little camera. Hold up, y'all see the little camera right there? That's what I'm gonna keep on me when I'm on, especially when I'm on the highway. You feel me though? I'm just I got my permit right now. I'm gonna get my license, so yeah, you feel me though? Like, I'm so used to driving, y'all. They're drunk crazy. I drove from Raleigh to Lewisburg to Henderson. I don't know if y'all know what that is, but yeah. I always turn this road because I don't like to go too far out anywhere yet. So but yeah, y'all. I'm gonna start doing POV drives. POV. I'm finna turn around because this is gonna be a small. This is gonna be a small little POV. You feel me? So like, don't judge me. I gotta get used to recording. I gotta get used to recording, guys. And yeah, this should be coming up. I gotta turn around. Right here. It's a little scenery, so shout out to them, y'all. Shout out to them. No cars coming. Nope. Oh shit, I'm putting a brake. Car coming. Come on. It's another Honda. Another Honda! You feel me? You feel me though? You feel me though? Look at that big ass truck. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, y'all. That shit crazy. Really my first dream car. I wanted a V6 EXL, y'all. But I got the 400. It's alright though, save gas, so. It save gas, y'all. Yeah. I'm probably gonna trade, probably like in the next couple years, I'm probably gonna trade this for a V6 This, you feel me? Cause I'm gonna have me a charger. Yeah, I'm gonna have me a charger. Cause that's what I want for my fast car. I mean, it's fast too. Oh, I thought I smelled something. We good. Yeah. And yeah, God. I'm gonna push it a bit. I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna slow down. Alright, car. But yeah, y'all. POV of my Accord. My Honda Accord. I love my baby. I love my baby. I love my girl too, but I love my baby. I love my baby. I love my baby. Ugh. We're gonna go right here. And then we go back up. Go a little bit. Back up. Right there. Hold up. I want to line up with the driveway. There we go. There we go. And then right there. All right, back up a little bit more. Right there. Oh, I want to line it up, though. I want to line it up, y'all. There we go. There we go. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's a little pill we drive with my Honda Accord. Peace.